I'm not doing this is not a, a candy restoration video. This is just me being nosy and want to take the thing apart. Because I actually want to see if I can get it apart first. So I can just see if I can get the rollers up. I want to loosen everything up. Because I'm not gonna be taking this apart and cleaning it up anytime soon. Like I just want to see how bad this. I'm just attempting to loosen up the bolts on here and shit. I'm not gonna spray this with any type of chemicals because it's basically a rusty relic of the past. There's a lot of rust in there, so I might do some of the vapor rust. Look at these bolts. There's like, it's probably candy residue in there. Look at this. Square bolts. It's a good thing I have like 1,000 replacement square bolts, because what would I do without them? These wheels in here are supposed to be brass, but I don't know. Ugh. Holy shit. That one's loose. That one's loose. There we go. I don't want to strip anything or break anything. I just want to get it going and see there's brass in there. I'm going to try to clean it all up. I just want to take these off, loosen them up. If I do oil it, I'm oiling with olive oil or something edible. There's a big brass block in there, which apparently has to come out. So I just want to get it going. See if I can get it apart, put it back together. There we go. These bolts need a severe cleaning. I mean, look at them. There's like, can you see that? There. You can see those bolts. Kind of rusty. I don't think this thing's been cleaned in 100 years. I think it's been used in 100 years. Because the amount of years it takes for brass to look like that. I don't know. Maybe candy looks like that. And the addition of sugar and other items. I know the ones I've seen online don't have these little square bolts in there. There they don't. Mine doesn't have any more either. Look, see? Fell around the floor. Let's see, is this one gonna come out? That one comes out. Will this one come out? This one looks like a much bigger bolt. Just that. There we go. I don't want to break it either. So I'm gonna go easy. Easy like Sunday morning. Oops. This one looks like a different size bolt. Let's see. Like my little vintage wrench I'm using. Yeah, this thing doesn't look like it's been taken apart in years. Because there's a lot of rust residue in here. There's like lubrication holes in here too. Get bits of lube in there. Food grade, of course. No room for KY in this thing. I'll probably just give the bolts a quick wire brushing. I don't know if I bolted down my wire brush grinder or not. This bolt looks like it's bent. It's got the wobble. Take this one out. There's supposed to be a brass or copper thing in here. So I don't know. See, it's supposed to come out. Now, apparently, if you take this and you give it a little whack with a rubber mallet. Do I have a rubber mallet? Oh yeah, I have the handy dandy, trusty, super duper. Where the hell did it go? Snap on. This is my orange handled snap-on, folks. See the orange in there? Yeah. This side is moving a little. Apparently these are supposed to come out. Supposed to. Supposed to. Already showing how to take this apart. There we go. One of these little blocks come out. Ew, it's like gumbity gumbity. Yeah. Holy crap. Crud muncher. See, there's a roller. Believe me, the roller's not supposed to look like that. Now, I'll flip this over. Something a little softer than need it. No, just like this. Should make a pretty cool restoration video. Wrong one. Oops. Don't want to smash this damn thing. A lot of parts I can't replace. There we go. See, there's that. And that. Yummy, yummy. Lots of gummy in there. This comes out of here. This is a solid chunk of brass. Anyway, took it apart. I'll probably clean up a little section just so I can put it back together nice. And then I'll get on with the show and do a full cleaning later on. Thanks for watching. Hello, YouTube. I went crazy on the fucking buffer here. But I just took it apart and now I'm just putting it back together. I basically loosened up the bolts. Putting the bolts back in. I'm just cleaning some of the crud out of the bolts because before I put them back in. See, it's like 9 million years worth of a million bajillion years worth of crud. All the threads are all. I should wire brush the bolts, but I don't have time for that. Just putting it back in here. Just give me a quick cleaning. I gave this part a quick cleaning. This whole cast iron body is gonna have to go in evaporust. Like I said, I'm not doing this all in one night. I'm just trying to get it apart so I can do it later. See, like this thing is just like not cooperating. There we go. See. I think this one of these bolts. Some of these bolts have a gazillion years of crud on them. Like literally the threads are just crusted in place. Yeah, I'm gonna have to evaporate this whole thing. There's like, I'm guessing this was sitting in a barn or something, because like for real, man, this thing is like, I skipped the buffer portion of tonight's program and just went straight to the, what's going on here? Just want to go in. Yeah, it's a bigger one. Nope. Yeah, it's in there. Where's the other one? Missing a bolt. Missing a bolt. There's one. There's a bolt on the floor. Yeah, so I'm gonna Tighten this up here. I'll get back to this.